Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. I hope you will consider subscribing, and if you do, hit that bell so you're notified of all future videos, which I post every Tuesday and Thursday, and you're gonna get something new every single time. You never know what you're gonna get on this channel. So today we're doing a review and wear test of the September 2018 Boxycharm box that came in the mail, and we're gonna see if any of this is any good. So if that's of interest, stay tuned and let's do this. I'm new to the whole monthly box thing. I just signed up for the Sephora Play and also Boxycharm. So this is the second one that I've received. And so far, I think that it's pretty good. I think that it's worth it. I think you get to try a lot of new things that you wouldn't necessarily spend the money on individually. The only thing about this is that you can't really pick and choose what you're trying or the specific color of it. So you end up getting some things that maybe don't work for you. But in the long run, even if you get a couple of things out of the 5 that work for you, you're still saving some money. So this month, September 2018, we are starting off with the Laura Geller. This is the Baked Blush and Brighten blush. And it looks like this. Really pretty color. That's the color it shows up. Super, super pretty, actually. I've got it on today. I really do like this. It's a really pretty color. It's very pigmented, and so use a light hand on it or else you're gonna get a massive streak across your face. So I really do like this. This retails for $28. So that's the drawback for me. I like it, I think it's pretty, but there's a whole lot of things, like I think Wet n Wild has one that looks like this. There are a lot of cheaper options that give you the same look, and I just think that it's not really worth 28 bucks. But I will continue to use it. It is pretty, it does what it says it's supposed to do, so not a bad option. The next one is this Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette in Nightingale. Looks like this. Has one of those magnetized tops and has a mirror up here. And these are the colors. These are beautiful colors. They're all very pigmented. I am wearing them all today. I am actually wearing the Silver Spoon color, which is kind of out of my palette, the most unique one. My favorite one here, it's this one right here. And it's kind of like a navy blue steel color, which I actually really like. The thing about this, the packaging is adorable, it's super cute. The colors are all great, but there's nothing super unique or new about it. I don't really think that you need to go out and spend $35 on this, which is the cost of it if you buy it individually. And the other thing is there's a ton of fallout. They're beautiful, they're pigmented, but even when you tap off your brush, I just found that underneath my eyes there was so much fallout on this. So you have to be really careful. Highly would recommend doing your eye makeup first before your foundation if you're using this, because lots of fallout. But really pretty color. I think I said it is $35 to buy this separately, but I don't think it's all that unique. I think Urban Decay probably has something pretty similar. You can probably find these colors in something else, so buying this individually, probably not worth it. The next thing are these eyeshadow brushes right here. These are the Alamar Cosmetics. It has 3 different brushes, and these are $18 for the set. I love the color of them. It's got that kind of pink gold. It's a little more intense than a rose gold, and the green, but it's really kind of pretty. And these ones are okay. I don't really see anything super unique about it. This is a fluffy brush, which I actually really like this for doing kind of a transition or in your crease color. I really like these. But they're 18 bucks. Real Techniques probably has ones that are just as good as those. So individual, maybe not. This next one is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. So this is one of those new kind of liners that look like a pizza cutter for your eyeball. So that's a little scary, but it is like this. and you roll it onto your eye. So there's a slight learning curve to this, but once you figure out these little pizza cutter eye rollers, I actually really, really love that idea. What I don't like about this is that it doesn't dry matte. It dries slightly shiny, and I'm not a huge fan of black eyeliner that is still got a sheen to it when it's dried. I'd much prefer it to be matte. If this was matte, I would love this. It stays put all day, it glides on really easily. Really, really like it. I just wish it was matte, and this is 19 bucks for that. So, you know, it's kind of pricey for an eyeliner, but if you like these roll-on ones and you don't mind a slight sheen, it's not really shiny, but a slight sheen, you might like this one. Last but not least, we have the Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color. It's like a pencil shape, like this. And it is, how much are these? These are $19 for these Pro Matte Lip Colors. Now, I am going to try this on and see if this is a good color, because this is one of the things about these boxes. You don't get to pick all the colors, and this color fully matches my nail polish right now. Here's the color, and I just don't think that this is going to look good on my lips, but we're gonna try this out on camera and see. Let me have a mirror here. This is like, I think my daughter called this the Barbie Jeep color, and I think she's probably pretty accurate on that. Okay, here we go.
Look hideous.
You look hideous. Look at this. No. I mean, whew. Yeah, that is not a good lip color at all on me. This is probably beautiful on someone who is a darker skin tone than me or has a much warmer complexion, but this is not a good look. As far as formula and texture, this glides on very smoothly. It feels great. I would, if I had this in a different color, I would actually like this. I would think this is worth it. I don't know if this is gonna last all day, but I love the packaging of it. I love how it goes on. It's got a twist up cap, which you can't get off. It's got a twist up cap, so you don't have to sharpen it. I actually really like this formula, and I wish this had come in another color. Dude, my hands are shaking because I've only had a double shot of espresso today. I need to go eat some food. Okay, so there you have it. That's the September 2018 Boxycharm. I am wearing everything that it came with, and I use the brushes, and I think of everything I will continue to use the brushes and the blush and the roller, and then I think I'm gonna give this to my daughter because I have colors that match this, but these are beautiful. I do like them. Lots of fallout, but they are beautiful. Hope you enjoyed this. I hope this is informative if you're interested in getting any of these things individually, and trying the lip color in Sephora before you buy so you don't look like this. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. See you, ladies.